Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Uba ILHEC ubalong Menteri ke Sorkar Jala. Haka khat paratarik ulber arajar arpsan ula Ïaroh ya ka Jingshim Rai da ka parti bantau ya ka fact finding committee kaban Tohkit binya ya ka Jingtih Dewïong Be-Aiñ hak Jala. Hak jekran bagila patay kubor uba ILHEC ulaong ba umpat ya kandu satya ya kinongilam ka parti hanrei ya ka rai ba ka parti kalashim ula syuyoi tangha kilat patay kubor. Habakali halor ka lintirel uba ILHEC ulaong badai ban sengap ya kamon jong kipat ba nong song snong shua ban wanra ya ka lintirel syarilum khasi bat Jingtih. Habai dai bat ka jingbati ya ka syuki menteri uba ILHEC ulaong ba unyai buat ya ka rai jong ka parti ha ka bai dai bat ka jingbati ya ka syuki menteri ha padang ki MLA jong ka parti. Ulaong ru ba onomla ban karan halor kani namar ba ka rai ka syong haki parti ban shim ya ka rai.
See, that is the choice of the people. If the people want to have railway, the railway should come. If the people they don't want to have railway, it is up to the choice of the people.
But don't you feel, you also being part of BJP, you've seen that the central government has brought in many projects?
See, I'm telling you, this is the interest of the state of Meghalaya, not the party. We want to see for the benefit of the people of Meghalaya only. These are the people. We have put our own candidate. We have told our candidate to contest the election, but they cannot make it. It is of the people's choice only. How we can tell whether people has, voted or not voted for the party? I cannot say anything, but it is their choice.
Okay. Do you see BJP growing here in Meghalaya?
See, but the way the Honorable Prime Minister are working, the BJP working at a center, people won't realize one day. If not now, but one day they will realize the commitment given by the BJP. I have not met a BJP party also here in the state of Meghalaya for almost 4 months, 5 months now. So I saw the newspaper and talking, but they're talking for the good, for the interest of the people. So we have to appreciate what the party is taking the issue.
So this time, will we see some action actually happening?
Definitely, when we have already raised the issue for the benefit of the state and benefit of the people of the state, definitely should come. The result should come out, for justice only for the people of Meghalaya. It is not the BJP to take the decisions. It's the government to take the decision. It is the government. We as a government will take the decision as per whatever the grievances given not only by BJP, also by the not only political party, but the people also. The party will be the government will take a call on the grievances of the people. You can ask from the state president and the BJP, not from me. I'll not be able to tell you anything regarding this. It is based purely, it is whatever the party decide, I will be obeyed by the party decisions. This traffic congestion is from few years now. We are all facing the same problem. It's become a nightmare for all the the traffic in Shillong. So that one, the government is trying as best as much as possible. But as you all are aware about the expansion of road in Shillong is very difficult. So whatever it is possible, because the vehicles are growing. The vehicle is not only that have stopped only the same whatever existing vehicle we have. It is coming up to the road every now and then.
What can be the solution to this?
We have to find out the best solution now, since the government is shifting all the the offices from Shillong to the new Shillong. That one will ease the traffic congestion in Shillong. So that is one of the best decisions taken by the government.